What are the top three things that you need to know about getting a VA home loan? For one, there is a big difference between being eligible for a VA home loan and being qualified for a VA home loan. You have to be both. I hear this a lot that veterans think that just because they are a veteran means that they're automatically approved for a mortgage, and that is not the case. You have to be both eligible and qualified. The second thing that I hear a lot is that the VA has a minimum credit score, and they do not. The VA does not have a national minimum credit score. Each individual lender does, which is why you might hear different things from different lenders that you've spoken to. Some might have a 640 credit minimum, some have 620, 600, 580, 550, all the way down to 500. Now, I will say the lower the credit score, the less likely it is that your file gets approved. It becomes much harder to get approved once you get under a 580, unless there's a lot of extenuating circumstances or compensating factors. Now, the third thing that you need to know about a VA home loan is that it's got the most flexible underwriting, specifically around what they will allow your debt to income ratios to be. All the other loan programs out there, for the most part, have a cap at around 50%. Some have a little bit higher, some a little bit lower. But by and large, the government will allow about 50% of your income to go towards debt. And that's gross income, meaning before taxes, before you live your life. That is a lot of debt to be carrying, to have a debt to income ratio of 50% or above. The VA loan does not have a debt to income ratio limit. They go by what's called residual income, which is a very good predictor of your success. However, you should think twice about getting more house, more of a payment than you could comfortably afford. There is a big difference between what a lender can approve you for and what you should buy to help you accomplish your retirement goals, your housing goals. We have to make sure that we're setting you up to be a successful homeowner. So just because a lender says that you can doesn't mean that you should. If you'd like to discuss a custom mortgage plan for you so that we can help you become a successful homeowner, please reach out. Our contact information is in the description below, and hope to hear from you soon.